Albania is not just about famous destinations like Vlora, Saranda, or Doris. The country holds hidden gems in its smaller towns and coastal villages, offering some of the best investment opportunities in the region. One such destination is Orikum, a picturesque town located just 12 kilometers from Vlora on the Ionian Sea. Rich in history and blessed with natural beauty, Orikum is the perfect place to invest right now. Orikum has a fascinating history that dates back to ancient times. It was a strategic Roman port, and in 48 BC, Julius Caesar stationed his fleet here during his famous campaign against Pompey. This historical significance is evident in the ruins of the ancient port, amphitheater remnants, and archaeological treasures scattered across the area. These cultural landmarks draw tourists from around the globe, and interest in Orikum's historical heritage continues to grow every year. Why invest in Orikum? Orikum is a treasure trove for investors seeking high-potential projects. Affordable real estate. Property prices in Orikum are still significantly lower compared to more popular tourist hotspots. With the region developing rapidly, these prices are expected to rise soon. At present, properties can be found at 1,001,500 per square meter, making it a prime opportunity for early investors. Growing tourism potential. Orikum's breathtaking natural landscapes, the Ionian coastline, and its proximity to Vlora National Park make it increasingly popular among tourists. This opens up opportunities for investments in rental apartments, boutique hotels, and hospitality ventures. Infrastructure development. The Albanian government is heavily investing in the development of southern coastal regions. Orikum now boasts improved roads, modern residential complexes, and top-tier tourist facilities. Additionally, its marina is among the best in Albania, attracting yachting enthusiasts from all over the world. Orikum offers crystal-clear waters, fresh mountain air, and panoramic views. This eco-friendly town is ideal for both a relaxing lifestyle and vacation retreats. Residential real estate. Purchase Seaview. Apartments or villas in modern developments. These properties are perfect for tourist rentals or as vacation homes. Open a restaurant, cafe, or boutique catering to the growing influx of tourists. Land acquisition. Invest in land plots ideal for constructing villas, boutique hotels, or other tourism-focused projects. Orikum is poised for a tourism boom in the next 5 to 7 years, with experts predicting a sharp increase in real estate prices and visitor numbers. Investors who act now will secure a foothold in one of Albania's most promising regions. EstateAll, your partner in smart investments. At EstateAll, we help you live by the sea while earning from the best projects Albania has to offer. Contact us today at EstateAll.com and let us help you find your perfect investment property in Orikum.